Greetings, dear listeners. Today we explore one of the most profound and significant questions of all time. Who is God? Who is the ultimate creator of the universe? The one who governs everything? The one who has no beginning and no end? Throughout history, humanity has sought answers to this question. Philosophers have pondered, poets have written, and seekers of truth have traveled far and wide to understand the nature of the divine. The answer, however, is simpler than many think. The one who created the heavens and the earth, the one who sustains all life, and the one who governs existence is Allah, the supreme, the absolute, the master of all that is seen and unseen. Today we will uncover the essence of Allah in Islamic doctrine, His attributes, His role as the creator, and the relationship between Him and all of existence. Let us embark on this journey of understanding. 1. The oneness of Allah, Tawheed. The first and most fundamental truth about Allah is His oneness. There is no division, no partnership, no second being who shares in His power. He is one in an absolute and perfect sense. This means that no other entity can claim to be His equal. No force in the universe, no being in the heavens or on earth, and no creation in existence can compare to Him. He alone is the creator, the sustainer, and the master of all things. His oneness also means that He is self-sufficient. Unlike humans who need air, water, and sustenance to survive, He is not dependent on anything. He is beyond all limitations. He was not born, nor will He ever die. He is not bound by time, space, or physical form. He exists eternally, independent of His creation. To truly understand Allah, one must first grasp this concept of absolute unity. Every galaxy, every mountain, every drop of rain, everything that exists is under His command. He has no rivals, no partners, no assistants. He is the supreme being, ruling alone over all of creation. 2. The eternal and absolute nature of Allah. Unlike everything else that exists, Allah is eternal. He has no beginning, no origin, no creator. He simply is. The concept of time does not apply to Him. While everything else has a starting point and an ending point, He remains unchanged and everlasting. He is also absolute in every way. He does not experience fatigue, hunger, or weakness. He does not require rest, nor does He sleep. The laws of nature that govern the universe do not apply to Him because He is the one who established those laws. This is what makes Allah unique. While all things in the universe rely on external factors for their existence, Allah relies on nothing. Everything is in His control, and He alone holds power over all things. 3. The creator of everything before the heavens, before the earth, before the first spark of light in the universe, Allah existed. He is the origin of all that is. Every star in the sky, every grain of sand, every ocean wave, everything that exists came into being by His command. He merely says, "Be," and it is. His power to create is limitless. The vastness of the universe is a testament to His greatness. Scientists continue to discover galaxies that stretch beyond human imagination, yet they are only glimpsing a fraction of what He has created. The intricate design of nature, the way the planets orbit the sun, the way the heart beats without instruction, the way plants grow from tiny seeds, these are all signs of His wisdom and power. Nothing happens without His will. The rise of the sun, the fall of the rain, the movement of the winds, all occur by His decree. He sustains life, provides for His creation, and ensures the balance of the universe. 4. The most merciful and just. Despite His unmatched power, Allah is not distant from His creation. He is the most merciful, always ready to forgive, to guide, and to help. His mercy extends to all living things, from the smallest creature to the greatest of beings. No matter how far one may stray, His doors remain open. He provides opportunities for redemption, giving each being countless chances to return to the path of goodness. His mercy is greater than any human understanding. It surpasses all limits. At the same time, He is also the most just. While His mercy is vast, His justice ensures that wrongdoers do not escape accountability. Every action, every word, and every thought is recorded, and all will be judged fairly. Those who commit injustice oppress others, or spread corruption will face the consequences of their actions. This perfect balance between mercy and justice is what makes Allah's rule absolute. He is compassionate and kind, yet firm and just. He does not wrong anyone, nor does he overlook the wrongs committed by others. 5. Allah knows everything. Every secret, every hidden thought, every silent whisper. Allah knows it all. His knowledge is limitless, covering every detail of existence. Nothing escapes his awareness. He knows the past, the present, and the future. Every event, every decision, every outcome is within his knowledge. Whether it is a tiny ant crawling under a rock or the movement of distant planets, nothing is beyond his sight. This knowledge is not just observational, it is deep and complete. He knows what lies in the hearts of every being. He understands intentions, emotions, and thoughts even before they are expressed. For those who reflect on this, it brings both comfort and accountability. Comfort in knowing that nothing goes unnoticed. Every good deed, no matter how small, is seen and acknowledged. But also accountability, knowing that actions are recorded and will one day be judged. 6. Allah is close to His creation. Despite being beyond human comprehension, Allah is not distant from His creation. He is always near, always listening, always responding. He is not confined to a place. No temple, no structure, no specific location can contain Him. Yet He is close to every being, hearing their prayers, understanding their struggles, and providing guidance. One does not need an intermediary to reach Him. Anyone, anywhere, at any time can call upon Him, and He will listen. His presence is not limited to specific rituals or locations. He is always accessible, always aware. This closeness provides a sense of security. No matter how alone one may feel, they are never truly alone. The Creator is always near, always watching over them. 7. No image or physical form. Unlike how some traditions depict divine beings in human or animal forms, Islamic doctrine teaches that Allah has no physical form. He cannot be imagined or represented by any image, statue, or drawing. He is beyond all physical characteristics. He does not have a body, a face, or limbs in a human sense. Any attempt to depict Him is incorrect, for He is unlike anything in existence. This is a key principle. Allah is beyond human perception. No painting, no sculpture, no visualization can capture His essence. He is too great, too vast, too supreme for the human mind to comprehend. 8. The ultimate judge, Allah, is not only the creator of the universe, He is also its ultimate judge. Every action, every word, and every intention is recorded. Nothing is forgotten, and no deed, good or bad, goes unnoticed. Throughout time, people have sought justice. Courts, rulers, and laws have been established to bring fairness. But human justice is imperfect. Sometimes the guilty go unpunished, and the innocent suffer. But with Allah, there is no such failure. His justice is absolute and flawless. One day, all creation will return to Him. Every soul will stand before Him, and every action will be accounted for. The oppressed will be given their rights, and those who wronged others will face the consequences. There will be no bias, no corruption, and no mistakes. Each being will receive exactly what they deserve. For those who live with honesty, kindness, and righteousness, this is a source of great hope. They know that no good deed is wasted, and every effort toward goodness is seen. But for those who spread injustice and harm others, it is a reminder that nothing will be forgotten. 9. Allah's control over everything. There is nothing in existence that happens outside of Allah's will. Every moment, every movement, every event, big or small, occurs only by His decree. The sun rises because He commands it to rise. The rain falls because He orders it to descend. A single leaf does not fall from a tree without His knowledge. Every life begins and ends at the exact moment He has determined. This control extends to the unseen forces of the universe. The orbits of planets, the flow of time, the rise and fall of nations, all are under His command. Nothing surprises Him, and nothing escapes His control. This understanding brings peace to those who trust in Him. Even when life seems uncertain, even when challenges arise, they know that everything happens for a reason. Nothing is random. Nothing is outside his wisdom. 10. Allah is beyond human limitations. One of the greatest mistakes humans make is trying to compare Allah to themselves. Unlike humans, who have weaknesses and limitations, Allah is free from any form of deficiency. He does not need rest or sleep. He does not grow tired or weary. He does not change, nor does he age. He does not require food, water, or air to survive. He is perfect in every sense. No human mind can fully grasp his greatness because he is beyond human understanding. Even the most powerful beings in existence are insignificant compared to him. Imagine the strongest ruler in history. Their power lasted only for a short time. Their strength faded, their rule ended, and they became part of the past. But Allah's power never decreases. He has always existed, and he will always exist, ruling with perfect wisdom. 11. The relationship between Allah and his creation. Allah is not a distant or detached creator. He did not simply bring the universe into existence and abandon it. He remains active, involved, and aware of every detail of his creation. He provides for all living things, the food we eat, the air we breathe, the warmth of the sun. All of these are gifts from him. Even the smallest creature in the depths of the ocean or the vast deserts is under his care. He is also deeply connected to the hearts of his creation. He knows every thought, every worry, and every secret. No one is ever truly alone because he is always near. One does not need a special ritual, a specific place, or an intermediary to reach him. He is always listening, always aware. Anyone at any time can call upon him, and he will respond. This is one of the greatest comforts in life, the knowledge that no matter how difficult things become, no matter how lost one feels, Allah is always there, ready to guide and help. 12. The power of prayer and connection with Allah. Recognizing Allah's presence is not just about belief, it is about connection. Those who truly understand him do not just acknowledge his existence, they actively seek a relationship with him. One of the most powerful ways to connect with him is through prayer and remembrance. Speaking to him, asking for guidance, seeking forgiveness, and expressing gratitude all strengthen the bond between the Creator and his creation. Unlike human relationships, where one may fear rejection or misunderstanding, Allah never turns away those who sincerely reach out to him. He listens, understands, and responds in ways that are best, even if the answer is not immediately visible. This connection brings peace, strength, and clarity. It provides direction in times of confusion, hope in times of despair, and comfort in times of sorrow. 13. Allah is the source of guidance. Throughout history, human beings have searched for meaning, philosophers have debated, scholars have studied, and civilizations have risen and fallen, all in pursuit of truth. But the ultimate source of guidance has always been Allah. He does not leave his creation without direction. He provides wisdom, lessons, and signs in every aspect of life. The vastness of the universe, the complexity of nature, the patterns in history, all serve as reminders of his existence and wisdom. For those who seek truth, the path is always open. He grants understanding to those who sincerely desire it. The search for meaning is not meant to be a struggle, but a journey toward recognizing him. 14. The purpose of life. Many ask, why are we here? What is the purpose of life? The answer lies in recognizing Allah. Life is not just about survival, material gain, or temporary pleasures. It is about understanding the Creator, living with purpose, and striving toward goodness. Every challenge, every success, and every hardship serves a greater purpose. It is an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to strengthen the connection with Allah. Those who understand this live with a sense of direction. They do not wander aimlessly, nor are they lost in meaningless distractions. They live with awareness, responsibility, and gratitude. 15. The ultimate return to Allah. Everything in existence will eventually come to an end, except for Allah. The stars will burn out, the mountains will crumble, and all life will cease. But he will remain, as he always has. Every being will return to him. Life is a journey, and its destination is none other than the Creator. Those who lived with goodness, who sought truth, and who recognized his greatness will find peace. This is the ultimate reality, one that reminds us to live with purpose, to seek wisdom, and to always remain connected to the one who created us. Conclusion: who is Allah? So who is Allah? He is the one and only, without partners or equals. He is eternal and absolute, free from all limitations. He is the creator of everything, the master of all that exists. He is the most merciful and just, always watching, always aware. He is beyond human understanding, with no image, no form, no weakness. He is the ultimate judge, ensuring justice for all. He is always near, always listening, always guiding. Recognizing Allah is not just about belief, it is about transformation. It changes the way one sees the world, the way one lives, and the way one understands life itself. And so, dear listeners, wherever you are, take a moment to reflect on this truth. Seek knowledge, seek understanding, and most importantly, seek the one who created you. Thank you for joining this discussion. May your journey toward truth be filled with wisdom, clarity, and purpose. Until next time, keep seeking, keep reflecting, and stay blessed.